Porsche Santa Clarita Cars and Coffee once again. Yes, we finally washed the car. We polished the car for the weekend. Everything's looking great. Carbon fiber is absolutely hitting. So today I'm gonna do something a little bit different, and to show off the new valved exhaust, I got this mirror here. I don't know if you guys can see that, but we're gonna be putting it underneath the car so everybody can see the titanium. So it should be a pretty fun experience. Can't wait to hear all the reactions and see what everybody thinks. But first off, I gotta go get some gas, and then we'll head over and meet up with some of the guys. All right, guys, see you there. All right, guys, we just made it to Porsche Cars and Coffee in Santa Clarita. It is already popping, hasn't even started yet. I got the mirror on the ground. Everything looks pretty good. Displays coming together. Parked next to some pretty sick cars. Let's get at it. Look at this Audi, guys. Audi Sport Wing. Sick exhaust. Absolutely packed. Trevor, what do you think about the Eruption Green Mustangs?
They're all right, but it ain't no bullet.
There ain't no bullet. Yeah, the bullet green is nice. Well, that purple is really nice as well.
This is nice.
Look how beautiful this Shelby is. Oh my gosh. Dude has actual documentation on it. Wow. Look at all the track cars. People are like doing whatever they want to do.
Title name: Chaos at Porsche Cars and Coffee.
This is extremely bad. Wow. Look at this traffic jam. It doesn't end. I'm definitely gonna get this set up when I go FBO. Just something about the wells, bro.
Is that a Fiesta ST?
Absolutely beautiful. This traffic jam is probably going on for about what, 20, 25 minutes?
30. Get the on my way! And the cross track is on our vehicle. You can do better than that!
Family! Look at the STO, guys. This is gonna be Trevor's next car.
4,700. I can afford it.
Sorry, man. Which one are you guys taking? STO, ACR? What's your pick, bro?
I don't know. I gotta go with that ACR, man. Dream car.
Everything about it. Look at all the people, guys. Literally packed. This is Trevor's first Porsche Cars and Coffee back. The Art of a Tag GT3 Cup car out here, guys. Definitely one of my favorites. Just saw this on Dustin Williams' vlog. Excuse me, man. Wow, so sick to see this thing in person.
Stamp out a couple of carbon bits and tape it to your car.
Finally, I'm gonna get sponsored for my truck. So,
What are you driving now?
so
Fire. All right, guys, we just left Porsche Cars and Coffee. It was a freaking amazing. A lot of great cars. Kind of hectic, but I mean, nonetheless, everything was pretty sick. Saw a lot of great friends. If you guys watched it, if you came this far, like, subscribe, give me a comment. And yeah, guys, I will see you on the next one. Appreciate you guys coming out, hanging out with me, and yeah, talk to you later.